Alright, y'all see what's going on. I told y'all this had been replaced. I paid a shop to replace the oil pump. And they did it the right way. The sprocket, the crankshaft sprocket, the cam sprocket, all this brand new. The tensioner brand new. All that's brand new. So we finna break this thing down. I'm finna make sure this is at top dead center first. Because if we at top dead center, I could just swap this cam, put it back at top dead center, and let the other dude come through and do his part. I want to make sure we at that first. But I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. We finna check this out real quick. All right, y'all. So look, check this out. This is exactly what I wanted to see right here. You dig? So last time I put the cam on, the heads went off. You feel what I'm saying? So I ain't know if I was putting it at top dead center or not. I just had to go from the dots, you know? But like I said, that all depended on if the shop did it the right way and they put it at top dead center. Because if they didn't put it at top dead center, whatever I did, it wouldn't have been there either. But as y'all can see, they actually put it at top dead center. There go one dot, that's the bottom dot. And there go the dot on the sprocket. So I mean, they did their job. They did their job, man. I'm gonna talk about something else about this shop though. They did do this right, but I'm gonna talk about something else. I'm gonna talk about something else after this process all the way over. But as far as this time and stuff go, they did it right, man, and everything at top dead center. So that's all I was worried about. So I'm gonna it's just simply popping the cam in. So I'm finna do that right now. I'm finna lube it up, do that right now, put these gloves on, and I'm gonna prop the phone back up. All right. I had to stop recording. I had to stop recording in case I messed up. It looked like it was finna be a tragedy for a minute. Hope y'all can hear me, man. It looked like it was finna be a tragedy, though. I'm gonna show y'all why. Hold on. It was almost boiling. Woo! Hey, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Like I told y'all, all this stuff new. All these can retainer bolts, new. Check it out. I gotta get some new ones. And I'm switching over to some 10 mils because these ain't gonna cut it. Look, almost stripped them, all of them. I think 2 came out easy. Look, almost stripped them. I was gonna be hurt, I'm telling you. I broke about 3 bolts in the last 6 months. In the last 12 months, I broke about 3 bolts. You see what I'm saying? Almost stripped all of these jokers. So these can go in the motherfucking trash.
Oh yeah. Let's pull this cam out. Let's put it up now. Let's get all over there. No cam loads. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, baby. Come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so check this out. We finna pop the cam back in there. We need these retainer bolts, so we ain't gonna be able to bolt it back up, but we finna lube it up, and we're gonna lube it up and pop it back in. It's gonna be good and lubed till whenever I decide to start it. You feel what I'm saying? You see, if y'all could just see how much oil came out of the how it was so oily. The cam was oily, and I ain't tried to crank it up in shoot over a year. You know what I mean? So it was still oily, still lube. So I'll put some assembly lube on it and it'll be all right until it's time for me to crank it. So I'm gonna put this lube on here, and y'all ain't gonna see that part. And I'm gonna prop the camera back up once I get it lubed and put it in.
All right, we got the thing lubed up. We're finna go and get it in there. My hand cramping up. What's that old man in me? My hand cracking up. Hold up, y'all. Oh, man. Hold up. We got it in there. I'm trying to put the boat in so I can turn it or something.
All right, man, we got her in there. Yeah. So I gotta get these retainer bolts. I'm finna see if I can go find them real quick somewhere close by, man. I'm super far away from the summit. It's probably like an hour away from me, so I gotta see if somebody local carrying them, carrying these retainer bolts, man. But we got her in nevertheless. You dig? Yes, sir. So what we gonna do is we gonna leave this like this, I guess. I think we're gonna put this timing cover on here. We gotta see how it looks. The black one. We're gonna put this timing cover on here. Go see if we can find these bolts. We got the new camshaft sensor. One thing I noticed, check that out. GM. I mean, made in China. That's crazy. Made in China. GM packaging. But it's made in China. Now check this out. Hold on, where the other? Here it is. Check this out. Made in China. That's an aftermarket cam system, man. It's crazy how shit be working out. And they telling me I can't use an aftermarket cam sensor. Come on, man. That one was $12. This one was $45 at Summit. Sure, if you get it from the dealer, it's probably about $70. Crazy, man. We finna put this we're gonna put this cover on here just to make sure it's staying clean and all that good stuff, man. You dig? I'm super excited though, man. If y'all can't tell, I'm super excited. I ain't gonna lie. All right, man, we finna put this cover on here, then go try to find these bolts. All right, we put the bottom bolts for the cover on. Man, that thing look good. Man, it look good. Valley cover. Oh, that look good. It's gonna look better when the water pump in front of it. When the other parts, the bracket right there, that look amazing. I like that. It look very, very good. So yeah, we just put the bottom bolts in. You know, I can't get it to really line up, but we'll figure that out later. We gotta use the original cover then, so we'll just clean that thing up. Clean it up and paint it in. It is what it is. But yeah, we finna go find these bolts, man. That's all we can do today. Probably I'll probably touch on this AC compressor with my wire brush. My little wire brush. See if we can clean that up. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. I think this might be all for today. I'm excited though, man. Y'all excited? Y'all let me know, man. Let me know what I fucked up on too. I know you experts found something. Let me know, man. Let me know. 08 Silverado build, man. We're gonna take this thing down through there. You did, just stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, we out.